sister. So we are continuing with the 2 months of crochet. If you're new to the channel, welcome, and if you haven't watched the other videos, I'm going to leave them linked down below so you can check out the other crochet styles that I have made. If you're an old subscriber, thank you for being fabulous. So let's just get into this hair. So I am using Zury curl. This is, I honestly forgot which color it is, but I'll put the links here. And it's pink. I've never tried pink hair. I think it sort of like comes off as purple in the camera, but it's actually quite pink. So I had about this much hair left after doing the installation. You can probably go in and add them in, but I'm not going to because I am tired. So this is how the curl comes in the package. So that's how it looks like. As you can see, it looks a little bit frizzy even straight from the package. The curl bounces back after you separate it, which I actually really like. As you can see, I really like the texture of it. I'm going to separate it so you can see how it looks like. As you see, it separates very easily, and this is how it looks like after you separate it. I haven't really played with it, and then you can pretty much just go smooth it out in a little bit. If you want to smooth it out more, you can go in with some mousse or a little bit of gel. Maybe take like a bottle of water, you know, like a spray bottle, and add in a little bit of gel and just spray it in there, and then just play with it to achieve the look that you want to. But this is how it looks like. So this is the front, this is the back. So you can definitely wear this hair in the middle, or you can wear it on the side as well. So one other thing that I really like about this wig is how the color transitions. Like, I really like wigs that have, you know, like the 1B at the bottom, because I usually feel like it transitions with my hair here a little bit better than wigs that are just sort of like one color. If you see the blonde wig that I uploaded, one thing I didn't really like about it is because like around here you can see my black hair, and I don't like the look. I actually love the installation of this hair. I like how it's more shapely than the other curls that I've tried. I don't know if you guys can notice that, like it's more shapely, like I have not done anything, have not cut it, have not, you know, nothing. And this is how it looks like. I really like this one more than the other ones, like the curl pattern. I like this one more than the other curl patterns that I've tried. I like the bohemian curl too, but probably not in the blonde. But yeah. So it feels very soft. It's a little bit frizzy, as you can see, but it feels really nice. It's very lightweight, and I think you can probably wear this for quite a while just because the curls, they bounce back. So if it gets frizzy, then I just take a piece of scissor and cut them out, and maybe just to maintain it, I just get a mousse and just smooth the mousse like once a week and smooth the mousse into the crochet wig and rock it like that. Okay guys, let's get into crocheting. So as normal, the hair comes in 3 bundles, the 8, 9 and 10 inches. I am starting with the 8 inches here, so then I'll have the 9 inches going in and then the 10 inches on top of my head. But as you can see, like this is how I crochet. It's fairly simple. So this is after 2 packs in. I decided that I wanted to have a middle part. So what I did is I basically just took my concealer and I used it to make a line so that I can just keep a guideline as I am making the crochet for the middle part to be kind of perfect. And then this is the last bundle. I'm sorry that the video is overexposed. I didn't realize it when I was filming, and obviously by the time you're done filming it's too late to change the exposure. I tried my best to salvage the video, but this is the best that I could come up with. So as you can see, I'm crocheting them really closely at the top just to make sure that you don't have any gaps when you put it on your head. But this is pretty much it, guys. Let me know what you think about this hair in the comment section, and then compare to the other crochet videos that I uploaded before. I'm obviously going to leave them linked down below. This is the wig. This is how it looks like. So I didn't do anything to it because I'm giving it away to my sister. She sort of like booked it before anyone else. So before anyone asks me if they can have this, my sister already claimed it. But this is pretty much it, guys. I didn't cut it. I don't know if she's going to cut it. She's kind of lazy, so probably not. But I still think the wig looks really cute. This is my favorite pattern so far. But yeah, let me know what you think in the comment section. since I'm uploading this on Thursday, I'm definitely in Kenya now, feeling the sun on me, and I'm definitely vlogging because that's what I said I would do, so I should be vlogging. And I'm going to upload my first vlog on Monday, so make sure you come to the channel and check that out. Make sure you subscribe so that you don't miss out. If you have any questions about Kenya, then leave them in the comment section down below, and I'll be happy to answer any questions that I can. If I have the answers, then I'll definitely answer them. So I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, and I hope I see you on the channel on Monday for the Kenya vlog. Have a nice weekend. Bye.